beautiful people, it's Courtney. Today we're doing things a little bit differently. As you could tell, I'm doing this video more vlog style. I literally just got done cleaning and organizing my slime shop, so I thought I would do a slime room tour, which basically my slime shop is in my garage. When we first picked out this place, like, we had the intention of, you know, using a space in the garage for my slime shop, and it's just kind of taking over. So I definitely wanted to show you guys what it looks now. I've done updates over the last year. I've almost had a slime shop for a year, which is crazy. Normally I post these on my vlog channel, but I decided to put it on my main channel for this video. So you could go check out my vlog channel if you want to see. I think I've done 2 of them before this, and both of them, they've grown a lot, and this is definitely going to be the biggest slime room tour yet. So that's what I decided to do today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Before we jump into the video, I am having a humongous slime giveaway right now with 50 winners. So I'm gonna link that video of the giveaway that I did down below, and you could go check it out and see what I'm giving away and how to enter and all that good stuff. So I'll link that video down below. Definitely make sure to go check it out because there's gonna be a ton of winners and it's super easy to enter. So that's that. I think we could go ahead and get started with this room tour now. I hope you guys enjoy it. Really quickly, before we jump into it, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a new slime YouTube channel called MySlimeShack. So if you love slime ASMR videos, definitely make sure to go check it out. I've been posting at least once a day, so I've been posting a ton on there. I'll link it down in the description box below, so I hope to see you guys over there. So first here, let's kind of do an overview of everything. Over here, we have some stuff that like goes in the house over here, but here is an overview. There's just some huge slime stuff there, but then here is a full overview, and then over here we have, my parents are storing some stuff in our garage while they build their house, and Andy has his corner over there with his safe and all of that. So from here to about here is all my slime stuff. So I guess we'll start in this far corner where I have 2 boxes of mailers that I haven't opened yet, and then all of these, which are new, like packing things. So these are more like kind of foam chips, and these are more of the larger like marshmallow foam type of things, and this is a huge bag. It expanded so much of shredded foam. I have an entire box of this that I've already broken up, but this is like extra in the bag right here. This right here definitely needs to be organized next. I've gotten so much supplies, so I definitely can start to organize this a little better right now. It's just like, I don't know, I just have like random slimes. I've emptied it out a lot with like slime smoothies and stuff, and then there's just like more slime and supplies. Down here is like a mess. It's like, this is where I used to keep all my supplies, but it's just kind of gotten out of hand now. This is stuff I don't really use anymore. There's some paints and just some random things in case I need them, but clearly a mess. Over here on this bookshelf is some things that I keep to make slime, and I don't really have like a way I organize this too much because you'll see I have another bookshelf that I have supplies on. So I have like 2 bookshelves, I guess, for supplies. So up here I have some extra glue, just some white glue, and I'm running low on clear glue. I just have another Maddie Ray's slime clear glue there. Elmer's clear glue has been going like out of stock like crazy, and then there's just some extras there. Definitely need to get some more clear glue though. So this little cubby over here, I have some glitters. These are mostly like just basic glitters, like black glitter. I have some silver, some hollow, and then some gold. And these are like also some really pretty glitters. Then I have 3 of these Pearl X pigments here. These are super, super pretty to mix in when you're coloring your slime. Then over here are just some like little extra ones that I had. Then in the cubby next to it, I have all my scents, which I just ordered a ton more. I'm getting kind of low, and I wanted to order some new fragrances. So I have some from Candle Science here. I forget where I get this other ones from. I forget the name of it, but I love the Candle Science. They smell amazing. And then I have some more scents back there. And then I also have just a couple essential oils in here. They smell nice in clear glue slimes, but they aren't as strong. So it takes like a lot of this just to have like a decent amount of scent to it. Then I just have some extra lotion and baby oil that I use in some of my slime DIY videos. And then back here I have like a little thing of some little extras back there. Now below that, I have some of my favorite slimes from like famous slime shops and stuff like that. I did have a ton more that I mixed into like smoothies and stuff like that. So this is what I'm working on. I'm working on building it up now. I have some more that need to go down here, but this I'm planning on doing like a slime collection video in addition to some of these slimes over here, which are a bit older. These are some like fairly new within the past month or so. And then next to it, this is pretty much empty. I just have some tape, and these are some like wish slimes that I'm doing a video on soon. And then down here, some boring stuff. I have some extra tape. I have some extra business cards and some extra like a shredder and some computer ink. Down here I have some of the fake like plastic snow in the back, and this is some of the like Snow Wonder or instant snow here. And then over here I just have 2 bags left of these like little slushy beads I plan on using soon. So that's like my first little storage area. Then over here I have 2 tables that I work on. This is a table that I sit at and work on, and this is a table where I store a lot of stuff and try to keep it organized. So I'll show you under the table first. I just have some canvas bags that I fill up. I have so many of these, and this is what I usually use for the post lady when she comes to pick them up when I schedule a pickup. And then down here I have some extra slime kits. I have just extra random supplies, shipping envelopes, all that good stuff. Then down here I have some bubble wrap, which I'm almost out of. I need to get some more. Down there are all my shipping envelopes, and then I have some normal sized foam beads that I use on a more regular basis as opposed to the other ones that you saw earlier, and then a box of the shredded foam. So I keep this full, and then I'll just pull from the bag that you saw before when I need it. So up here is pretty fun. Over here, I just have some extra packing peanuts and then an empty container. I have some borax solutions and a mixing bowl. And then here is where I'm all out of clear slime right now. I need to make up some more. I'll put just basic clear slime in here, and then I'll put basic white slime in here. Over here is super fun. This is like my favorite part, and I recently got all these little storage bins to put my slime restocks in. So we are almost out this restock. I'm about to do another restock soon. As you can see, there's a bunch of like, this one hardly has any left, and just a bunch of empty ones. So we have some slimes in here that are currently in stock in my shop. And then I have some little charms up here that go with this little guy down here. And then literally today I just got in a bunch more because I want to offer even more slimes for you guys, or so I could get started on the next restock while these are still going. So I got a ton over here. Here's another lonely little slime guy right there. This one's super pretty. That's also in stock in my shop, but there's just a little bit left, so I moved it over to a smaller container. Then over here I have a bunch of already cut up little cubes for my jelly cube slime. These are just sponges. And then I just made some the other day, so I'm running low, need to cut some more up. And then in here I have some foam chips for new Java chip slime that I'm about to make. I have a bunch more colors. That this one arrived super fast, and the other ones I'm still waiting on to arrive. And then the bottom one I usually have extra sponges in. So I actually do want to get more of these because I try to prep as much as possible and get that done. Now over here is like my workspace. I never sit at this table. I don't know why. Over here, this is where I always sit, up here. So I got, of course, my computer chair. By the way, I got this rug off of Overstock. It was just on sale and I really liked it. I like neutral colors, but I didn't want anything too bright because, as you could see, I already spilled some slime on there. So that's that. But over here is usually where I stack up all the slimes when I'm done. These are just kind of like extra right now. That'll be mystery slimes or whatever. I just haven't found a spot for them. Or like sometimes I'll package too many and I miscount or something. So those are there. And then I also just have my handy dandy mixer here. That way I can just reach over, leave it running while I'm working on other stuff. So then over here, I have some of my business cards and I have some little borax baggies that I'm running low on. I try to keep these all together somewhat, so I bring them over to this side when I'm packaging stuff, but they're just here for now. And I have 2 boxes of like food coloring, then some neon food colors there. And then here is my little paper organizer thing. I have some of my labels. I have my labels there. I'm actually getting low on these too. I definitely need to do like a major restock right now of a bunch of stuff that I need. Tape dispenser, then some labels, and then down here is just some empty labels for when I need them. Got my laptop, you can see me in the reflection, but I keep my desktop upstairs, so I use my laptop down here, and then I just have that little thing that was in my old house, and then I had nowhere to put it, so I was like, oh, I'll throw it down here. So then down here, I have my printer, I have a paper cutter, which I don't use so much anymore, but it's definitely handy to have. And then in this little thing, I actually just got this as like a PR package, and I was like, oh, this is a really cute sturdy box, so I didn't want to just throw it away and let it go to waste. I thought I'd recycle it, so all my labels are in there to print orders out on. So like I said, I sit here, and it's been very cold here, so like I said, I sit in my garage. Usually I keep the door shut because it's been cold, but today is really nice. So I have my little space heater right here, which actually heats up the whole garage really nicely. So I keep that there. But then here's this other bookshelf that I have of stuff. I actually need to restock some of this as well, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you. So this was actually a bookshelf that I had in my house. I didn't want it anymore. I got a new one, so I was like, I'll just use it out here for storage, repurpose it. So let's start on the top. I'm almost out of like all these little clays. I just ordered a ton more, but they take a while to ship, so I'm just waiting on some more clay. Then I have some foaming soap, and I have some shaving cream and some extra borax. Then down here, it starts to get a little more fun. So over here is just some like random tools that I don't really use. Maybe I'll just throw them in some of your guys' packages or orders. But over here, I have a ton of like rose gold leaf, silver leaf, and gold leaf. And then these are new. These will be in my next restock. I love these little sprinkles. They're super cute. Not real sprinkles, obviously. And then I have some other fake sprinkles back there. Here's some new charms that I just got in that I'm super excited about. So again, you'll be seeing a lot of these soon. So I have these cute little hearts here. I have these little M&M guys. I'll just show you some of them. I got some little bows if the camera wants to focus. These are just cute little sparkly bows. I got some little duckies, some random fishbowl beads I didn't really have a place for, so I stuck them over there. I have some little chocolates. And then up here is a bunch of different like confettis. So everything from Fimo slices to some chunky glitters that I threw in here. There's just a ton of different types and little like glitter packets and sprinkles and stuff like that. These are super cute. And then down here, I got these little baskets from Walmart, and I just keep all my little foam beads in them. These are all the colorful ones, with the exception of like the giant white ones and stuff like that. But I have like huge bags of the white, and then I have all these different colors in here. So those are really fun. I like these a lot. So got that there. And then down here, I have 2 packs of like a ton of sponges for jelly cube slime. And then I have a bunch of like 8-ounce containers there. Down here, I have a bunch of 4-ounce containers, but I just ordered a ton more. I just ordered like a ton from Uline of like the clear plastic ones everyone uses, so I just got some more of those. And then over here are a ton of extra squishies. I both sell the squishies in my shop, and I also will throw them in order if you get 4 slimes or more, so you'll get a little squishy. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed my little slime room tour. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of video, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!